Section 125 CRPC defines that if any man who is capable of earning and he willfully neglects or chooses to refuses to maintain either his wife, his children, or his parents, then these people have a right to come to the court and file a petition under Section 125 CRPC seeking maintenance from the man. However, there is a very important prerequisite to this section, which is defined under section subclause 4 of the 125 CRPC itself, which says that if the wife who's claiming maintenance from the husband had deserted the husband willfully or chosen to leave his company out of her own volition, or that she is living in adultery, if either of these conditions are satisfied, then this petition is not maintainable and she is not entitled to claim maintenance from the husband. So the takeaway from this is that if you're a husband and you suspect that in the coming near future your wife might desert you or she might leave your company, then your job is to collect all the proof that you possibly can to show that you were willing to keep her, but she chose to leave your company and get away. And because this is a matter of proof, you have to show to the court. When you get a summons for the 125 case, then you need to challenge the maintainability of the petition itself by showing that you were willing to keep the wife but she chose to desert you or leave your company. And to show that, you have to be prudent enough to collect all the proof to show that yes, you wanted her to live with you but she chose to leave your company, and on that basis you can get the petition dismissed.